Instagram paid for my girlfriend's Mustang, but I get to drive it today. I got the keys. In this video, I'm going to teach you about making money on Instagram, what I've personally done to be able to make 7 figures per year with Instagram. And these are all steps that you can replicate. And there's one specific big secret that I'm going to go over. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are brand new. Tap that notification bell. This is a 2019 Mustang GT performance package with the 6-speed, a couple other extra options on it, and I just bought a supercharger for it. Should take it to around 740 horsepower, depending, somewhere in there. I also just put myself on the reservation list for the 2020 mid-engine Corvette, which I'm super excited for. And compared to that, this is going to be a slow poke. Point is, Instagram has paid for this. Instagram has allowed me to make 7 figures. Really every year, 6 figures the first year. I've been in business on Instagram for 3 years now. 3 years and like 3 days. And it's allowed me to be able to travel all over the world. We just moved about 9 months ago, earlier this year, to Meridian, Idaho, which is like the 4th fastest growing city in the United States. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I'm able to make money online. I'm not tied down to a location. I actually met my girlfriend through Instagram. I've met some of my best employees and business associates and partners because of Instagram. And I just continue day after day after day to figure out more ways to make money on Instagram. And it's allowed me to just have complete freedom, all right? I take that money, I invest it in things that produce me more income, and I just build my empire, all right? So in this video, I wanna talk to you a little bit about how I've been able to do what I'm doing and how you can too, because I don't have a college degree. I didn't go to college. I spent like 4 months in a technical school, and then I said, you know what? I'm good, I'll do something else. Then I went into sales for 4 years, and I used a lot of those skills to be able to start making money online, specifically making money with Instagram. And you know, you're not special, I'm not special. Everybody can do this. You don't have an excuse. Doesn't matter your age, your race, your color, your sexual orientation. If you're black, white, Asian, Hispanic, if you get an IQ of 70 or 170, which is almost impossible, you'd be extremely smart, smarter than Bill Gates there, as a matter of fact. And he says you only have to have an IQ of 143 to really be a really good CEO, which I think is a lie. I think you can actually be pretty dumb and still make it. There's a lot of dumb people that have a lot of money. Look at celebrities. A lot of them are dumb. Look at Cardi B. Think she's smart? Not really. Every word that comes out of her mouth is severely retarded and quite stupid. Okay, so making money on Instagram, guys. The thing for me is it's a networking platform, all right? There's such a high level of engagement, retention, and attention on Instagram that anybody can make it. So if you're starting to go out, here's the 3 things you need. You need to identify right away, do you want to be in your account? Do you want to be the face of it? In other words, have a personal brand, or do you want to have a repost account? All right, smash the like button if you haven't already. Really appreciate that. I support you guys. I appreciate the support back. I'm here to help you guys, all right? So you got to decide, like, from day one, if you want to be a personal brand and show your face and kind of be, you know, on the account all the time, or if you want to go the repost, viral content, informational graphic type of strategy, okay? So you're either going to be really prominent and in your account. It's going to be you, personal brand, really centered around you, all right? Which is what I do. And that's the vision, that's the direction I've decided to go down. The other side of that is you have these sort of infographic accounts like this right here, okay? And this is where you're providing a lot of information. People are reading your pictures. They're watching your informational videos. They're consuming a lot of that content, and you're training them. You're cultivating an audience that's very intellectual. And from there, you're able to monetize through CPA, cost per acquisition offers, where you simply get paid to generate a lead for a company and they pay you for that lead. You can do affiliate marketing through it. You can come out with your own digital or your own physical products. I have some clients that are in training to be doctors. They've just come out with their own course on how to get better sleep. They're currently making money with that, and they're selling it through Instagram. They're running ads to it. They're making money organically by driving traffic to it through Instagram, and it's converting. And they've only been out this digital product world for about 3 months. So it's really cool. And they've only put together this product recently in the last 2 weeks. They're already making money with it, all right? Brand new to Instagram, don't have a big following. You can see their account right here. So you can do this too, all right? You got to decide what's my game plan. I call it an MEG, monetization end game, okay? You want to go the personal route? Or do you want to be sort of a repost or informational account? All right. And then from there, you start growing it. You provide value in one specific direction. Okay. I'm not teaching real estate, how to make money, how to rebuild engines, how to drive a car, how to climb a tree, and how to punch a monkey in the face. I'm not teaching that, okay? I'm teaching business, so that's my thing, all right? If you're starting an account, like, have a direction, okay? So now you know whether you're repost, personal brand, informational sort of account, then you gotta have a direction, a specialization. Provide value in that direction, and now you start building engagement, okay? So provide value in that direction and start building engagement up. And then the third thing that you wrap into this is start networking and lining up a product or service that you can promote and sell. That very same concept. Bought this $54,000 car. Okay, very same concept allowed me to pay cash for a piece of land that we're now selling and making like $75,000 on. Okay, the very same concept allowed me to put myself on the reservation list for leasing the new Corvette. And I know right now you're probably thinking, oh, why would you lease? I want to own it. Why would I own it? I keep my cars for a year or two. All right. So even a lease is long for me. Plus I can turn it back in, no obligation. Plus I can write it off. Like, tons of incentives that way. Put in my videos, look cool. I got the lifestyle, got the supercar, right? I can pull all that bullshit. Okay. Keeps my options free. Everybody can do this with Instagram. Now on Facebook, you make a post, you start networking, very few people see it, and you got to pay for the reach. On Instagram, you can there's a billion people. Pick and choose. Who do you want to talk to? All right? That's how you're going to be able to make money on Instagram. Highly suggest it. Works really well. So I hope this video has helped to just shed a little bit of that light on you guys and helps you with the actions that you take now. Everybody can do it. Okay, I am not special. I want you to realize I was born in the middle class. My mom doesn't know what I do. My dad doesn't get it. I explain it to them over the head. Okay, much like your parents or maybe even you are right now trying to figure out how you're going to make money online or make money with Instagram, all right? So I'm just telling you, there's no special secrets. It's hard work, it's consistency, it's effort, and you work the business. Write this down. You work the business until it works for you, okay? You got to go all in. You got to invest. Stop thinking you can do everything for free. Stop trying to do the go-to-loan route. Stop trying to scale with information from people that don't have a fucking clue what they're doing. Okay? Stop learning from 10 different people at once and trying to scale. That's like taking 10 different puzzle pieces from 10 different puzzles and trying to make one puzzle with it. Doesn't work. Find somebody that knows what they're doing, that's doing what you want to do at a level 10 times higher than you. Learn from them, all right? Make sure you smash that like button. What I want to know right now is, what do you struggle with when it comes to making money on Instagram? What do you struggle with as a business owner or as somebody looking to go in business? Drop it in the comments below. I'll reply to every single one of you guys, okay? And make sure you give me a follow at Ben Oberg on Instagram. You can see a lot of the content I'm putting out there. You'll get examples of how I articulate my infographics, how I make my info videos, how I edit my personal content, the audience, how I cultivate, how I pitch, how I present, how I carry myself, how consistent. Look at all these things, okay? Subscribe, drop a comment below. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I've included some resources in the description for you. Like I said, if somebody that didn't even go to college can buy a $56,000 car, be set up to buy the brand new 2020 Corvette, a $100,000 car, have real estate, have investments, have cash flow, all because I can make money on Instagram, you can too. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you on Instagram and I'll see you in the next video.